Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install cPanel on localhost, so let's get right into it. Now, installing cPanel on localhost is not possible per se, because localhost does not, or cPanel does not support localhost. It's designed to be installed on dedicated servers with internet access on a public IP address, so it's technically not possible. However, you can play around with it. You can use the virtual machine or a virtual machine which you can set up with a dedicated server or a dedicated server with a compatible operating system, and you can use that to then enable or create an environment which is similar to a localhost environment. You can also go ahead and use, as you can see here, you can set up a local development environment. You can use XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP. And if you want to test it, you can use the free trial at the cPanel website to try out a live server. If you're not sure if everything's working correctly and you want to test it, you could do that. But to set up a VM, you just need a VM software such as VMware or VirtualBox, then allocate the sufficient resources, and then install the chosen Linux distributions such as CentOS, Cloud Linux, or Alma Linux. Then you just need to update your system, set the host name, which you do through this command, and you do need to set a fully qualified domain name, FQDN, for that server. Then you need to install the required packages by just typing in this command into the command prompt on Linux. Then you can just download and install cPanel through this command and or these commands. These are all different commands, so cd home, curl, and then the following text, and then sh latest. Then you just need to wait for the installation, then access WHM, which is the web host manager. Just navigate to your server IP, :2007, and then use the root username and password, and then you can follow the on-screen instructions to configure the installation. And that's pretty much the best of it you're gonna get through this through cPanel on localhost, through this method at least. You have other methods such as these, however I'm not very well versed in them, so these are pretty much the instructions I would advise you to follow. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.